Alright. Okay, so here's your assignment for today. Yesterday we were talking in A Midsummer Night's Dream about parents having a big say in the weddings of their children and how much of a big deal that was 500 years ago. So what we're going to look at today, something pretty easy. You're going to look at what do we look for? When we're looking to find someone that we want to marry or settle down with or date, what are we looking for in another person? And then we want to look at, on the other side of that chart, what do our parents want for us? Okay? So just like Aegeus and Hermia had a different idea. She wanted to be with Lysander. Aegeus wanted her to be with Demetrius. It's the same in many families. What kids want and what their parents want are kind of two different things. So when we're talking about what do we look for, you're going to be looking at things like, what things are attractive to you. Is it money? Is it power? Is it looks? And things like that. And you can be specific as we get through here, although we don't need to get into graphic details. So if you like pretty eyes, we can put that. If you like a nice butt, you can put that. But we don't need to get into too much detail other than that. On the other side, what do our parents want for us? What are they looking for? So when you bring someone home to mom and dad, what do you want that person, or what does mom and dad want that person to be like for you? What kind of things do you think, or do they think are important? So you're going to get into groups, 3 or 4, and you want to make a big chart here on chart paper, and you're going to look at what do we look for, what do our parents want for us. Try to make a list as detailed and exhaustive as you can. And then at the bottom, we'll see if as a group you can come up with an answer to this question. Is there value in letting parents have a say in our relationships? And we'll talk about that when I get back from shedding the gnar.